Let's start with the ingredients. A tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 eggs, chocolate syrup or the one you like best,
a pinch of salt, ground cinnamon, strawberries, one cup of milk, half a natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil.
First, pour the flour into the bowl. Then, the cup of milk. Later, the 2 eggs. A pinch of salt, and finally, the sugar.
Now we take the dough and beat it. We can add milk as we see it thickness.
Later, we add the melted butter and beat everything again.
Now let's get to work. In a frying pan, over medium heat, put oil or butter so that the dough doesn't stick. Once hot, put 2 tablespoons in the center.
Be careful not to stick to the edges.
After approximately 2 minutes, we turn it over.
This is the result.